Hi everyone, my name is Winstar and welcome back to our Zhng Your Home series. And today we have Anson, who is from Excel Hardware. Excel Hardware has been in the market. They're big in Singapore and I think in many other countries as well. And they do a lot of hardware, as their name suggests, hinges, drawer tracks, and even they have a lot of different things like aluminium, kitchen, and different kind of mechanisms. But today we are going to zoom in a little bit more on what Ecoply is relatively a big thing in Singapore right now. How about you share a bit more about yourself?
All right, thank you, Winstar and Novo Interior for giving me a chance over here for this interview today and this podcast. Really very excited. Let me introduce about myself. My name is Anson from Excel Hardware and I'm the EPP team lead. EPP stands for Excel Preferred Partners, which Novo Interior, they are our Excel Preferred Partners as well. Yeah, so for Excel, we have been in the market, just a brief introduction about Excel Hardware. So Excel has been in the market since 1998, around 28 years in the market already, and our founder is Mr. Kevin Chua, spearheaded by his son, Kaden, which is our marketing director as well. Yeah, so we started off in a small warehouse in Sungai Gadok in the past 28 years back then, about 2 years, and we came to Northlink building, and right now we have a 2-floor story of our Excel Brand Experience Center where we're showcasing a lot of our hardware products and also Plywood and alarmless kitchen cabinet. Yeah, so jump into why Excel Preferred Partners is because most of our Kaden has spearheaded most of our hardwares and traditional things to more to 90% e-commerce. So right now for homeowners and for IDs, you all can go to our website to check on all of our products and also the pricings and everything all over there. It's like an encyclopedia of hardwares. Yeah, so one thing about for Excel, we have 4 key pillars. Number 1 is safety, security, sustainability, and service. So today we will jump into sustainability, which is Ecoply. Yeah.
Okay.
So back in, if you remember Winstar, back in 2022, you guys are still using probably normal plywood.
Normal plywood,
Which is you all feel very very itchy in the eyes. I don't know about interior designers. Probably you guys are immune already, right? Yeah. But for homeowners, they will feel the pain. Yeah. Then like for myself, I like to be pretty, so I went to LASIK my eyes. So when I went to a house that is very high in formaldehyde, using regular plywood, they literally I just itch my eye, I will sneeze, and my eyes will keep tearing non-stop. All these are actually made of this very strong pungent chemical, very high in formaldehyde, that might also cause cancer, leukemia. Yeah, it also can trigger asthma attacks and also eye irritation and very difficult to breathe as well.
Yeah. Every time the homeowners complain, move in already, the smell lingers for months, and then every time they reach home, open the door only because the windows are all closed, right? Their eyes get very irritated and stuff like that. Yep.
Do you recall back in the days when we were young? We are still
that's
using,
very long time ago.
Yeah, we are still using normal plywood, right?
Yeah.
Using normal regular plywood, still very high formaldehyde. Why don't we have this kind of situation?
Good question. Yeah, why?
Because in the past we don't always on aircon. Yeah, we don't always enclose indoor. Yeah, but now because Singapore humidity, weather, and it's very hot, even myself, I cannot even endure the heatness and all that. So we're always on air condition and it will be enclosed area. But in the past when we were young, our mother, you on fan, I will will already scold us already, right? But that's why they actually open up windows for more air ventilation. Yeah, so even for Ecoply, although they are the lowest formaldehyde plywood, it's not free of formaldehyde. It's actually lowest formaldehyde. Because regular plywood, they are around 0.78 ppm. ppm stands for parts per million.
Okay.
Yeah, like a safety standard in the Singapore level.
What's the Singapore standard?
0.08 ppm.
0.08.
Yeah.
Normal plywood would be
0.78.
0.78.
Yeah, so it's like...
It still pass? But
no, it doesn't pass.
0.78.
Oh,
okay.
But Singapore standard at 0.08
Okay.
Yeah, which we know a lot of carpentries, they might be using a lot of E0 or
Okay.
E1 plywood. However, they are still at 0.19 ppm, like double the ratings of the Singapore standard of
Okay.
0.08. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
And for Ecoply, they're actually at 0.03 ppm, which means it's still lower than the Singapore standard of 0.08.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and one thing they are very confident in their products is that if it ever exceeds 0.05, which is still lower than Singapore standard level of 0.08, they will reimburse 3 times the carpentry cost up to $30,000. Yeah, so this is how
How
strong,
confident?
how
How confident you
confident,
guys are?
yeah, Ecoply is. And Ecoply is one of our Excel preferred suppliers.
Right.
Yeah, so for Ecoply on how you can get the authentication is that for homeowners, you all can actually purchase a UV light, or even interior designers, you all can have a UV light with you. You know, you go disco, those kind,
Yeah.
those kind UV light. Yeah, just shine on the internal color PVC. You will actually see our Ecoply logo on it.
Right.
Yeah, then
Okay.
if let's say homeowners, you guys will really want to know whether you guys are really using Ecoply, can look us up for Noble Interior or any of our preferred partners with our invoice packing list. Yeah, we will actually send to the homeowners with the packing
Right.
list that they are using Ecoply wood.
Okay. Where is Ecoply manufactured from?
Ecoply, they have their factory in JB, Johor Bahru, all
Okay.
right, and then the products itself, the wood itself came from a lot of different countries, like from Indonesia also have, from China also have, from Vietnam also have. Yeah,
Right.
so but everything will go to the JB factory to undergo a stringent QC test, and also with the glues as well. So because not only the plywood, we also supply the Ecoply glue, the agings and everything. So if homeowners are using, we strongly recommend that fully use Ecoply, even to the glue itself.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
correct. And there's one question that a lot of people are asking: is Ecoply green label? Yeah, for at the moment, Ecoply is still not yet having this green label certified, but it actually does not. For low formaldehyde, you don't actually just look for the label itself. You don't look for single certifications. Of course, Ecoply have SGS reports, all right, and these are the parts where it must be measurable, like the material must be measurable and the performance itself. So for homeowners, you all can also engage third party for those authorized lab tests in Singapore that are government certified, all right, for them to go and test. And if ever exceed, like I said, ever exceed 0.05, they're reimbursed up to $30,000, 3 times the cost.
Okay. Okay. And this Ecoply, just now you were saying like, oh, there's E0, E1. So I think there are a lot of different types of like plywoods
Yeah.
out there. So what makes it different besides like the formaldehyde difference?
Okay, for us, for Ecoply, E0 or E1, when we started off market this Ecoply, it is quite tough at the start because of the price. It
Okay.
is, I don't say it's cheap, it's really expensive for homeowners to use, but in a long run for elderly and infants, babies, or children, it will be good for their health, for their issue.
Worthwhile.
Worthwhile,
Okay.
yeah. And for Ecoply, we have 5 ply regular. We have 5 ply of the plywood. We also have 9 ply, which is the same in the thickness at 15 mm thickness. But one is with 5 ply together. They will compress. Another one is with 9 ply. So
Okay.
the 9 ply one has a much more stronger the screw withdrawal.
Right.
Alright, so which means every single time when people will, I'll need to change the hinge, I need to change the drawer tracks, I need to use another hole to use it. But
Yeah.
Ecoply, you don't really have to, because of the 9 ply. It has a stronger screw to
Right.
hold on.
Durability.
Durability
It won't
and all
like
that.
wear off so fast.
Yes, and if you happen to see the video that I went to the factory that I stepped on, I think back then I was around near to 80 kg.
Wow.
Very
Okay.
heavy. Now I slim down already. Yeah. Okay, so I was stepping on 5 ply, and it literally breaks.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I step on the 9 ply. It bent, but it did not break.
Right.
But when I step off the 9 ply, it's still like quite straight.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is how strong the durability of this 9-ply Ecoply wood.
Right.
And they are actually 60 times lower in formaldehyde compared to regular plywood. So Ecoply at Ecoply at 0.03 ppm, Ecoply Pro, which is the 9-ply, is 0.013 ppm.
Right.
So it's really, really low.
Okay. And because you were talking about the Ecoply itself, there's 5-ply and then there's 9-ply. So do all carpenters use the 9-ply, or it depends on different areas that you're using?
Depends on the different areas, and for Ecoply, 5-ply are the main one. Even for regular plywood, they have been using all the 5-plies.
Yep.
For 9-ply, they were more usage on the cabinet, the body of the cabinet.
carcass.
Yeah, the carcass of
Okay.
it. Yeah, so that it can have a much more stronger hold on
The
the
structure
screws and the
of-
structure and
right.
everything. Yeah, and for our preferred partners, some of you can also get a free upgrade to Ecoply Pro.
Ecoply Pro meaning the
9-ply.
I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
Ecoply is the 5-ply.
Right.
Yes, correct.
Okay. And talking about Ecoply, there are also a lot of people asking, so is Ecoply waterproof? Can it be used in the toilets, etc.?
Ecoply is still the same as regular plywood made
normal.
of wood. Alright. However, it's just in very low formaldehyde, the lowest in the market as well,
Okay.
in the formaldehyde. But it acts as the same as normal regular plywood. So they are not really waterproof. I remember that some of the IDs has mentioned to me like, for waterproof you need to use marine wood.
Marine
Something
ply, or
like
other
this.
materials.
Yeah, or probably if you guys really want free of formaldehyde, you want to have fully 100% waterproof, termite proof as well, you can use our aluminium kitchen cabinet by Alarmless. Also one of
Right.
our Excel preferred suppliers, and they have actually two different materials, 100% aluminium and compact aluminium. Yeah, so if homeowners, you guys are very afraid of formaldehyde and need to be waterproof for your cabinet, use Alarmless. Yeah.
Okay, so typical carpentry and stuff like that, Ecoply is the way to go. And if you are very conscious about what you need it 100% waterproof, 100% termite proof, definitely, and a lot more durable, then of course the aluminium
Yeah.
kitchen would be the way to go.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
And of course, for Ecoply, they actually give a warranty for the material itself. So if you your carpenter happen to receive any defective goods, they will literally change for you immediately at the factory. But make
Yep.
sure it's at the factory when they receive it actually has some defective, then ask us to go down to do for the exchange. Yeah, and Alarmless, they have lifetime warranty on their workmanship and also for Excel hardware products too.
Okay. And we've worked with Excel for many years, and we really trust their products, and their service is exceptional. Whenever there's any issues or stuff like that, just make a call and they'll definitely come down and resolve any issues for us.
Because this is part of our company's kind of our culture. Our handbook with 300% customer service and
300%. Okay.
not 100, not 200, it's 300%, because we wanted to help homeowners and also our interior designers and carpenters, like right from the start. When you guys are doing renovations or having to know the measurements of our hardwares, we will assist the IDs and homeowners and carpenters as well until you install. If your carpentry, maybe like our new products, carpenters, hey, new one, I don't know how to install, how? Yeah, no worries. We have our in-house technician to assist your carpenters as well. Such as our latest product, we have our Nasconda, the one that is electronic based of a touch, and the source rate and everything can be hidden in the back of the cabinets. We have some rotatable island area rotatable cabinets for you guys to use for hidden structures, and good in design. Our pull down dish rack in stainless steel, electroplated in black as well. And I think in March this year we'll be coming in the world first rose gold stainless steel hinge. Yeah, so not only matte black and not only stainless steel, we try our best, go beyond to innovate new products, our rose gold series. Yeah, so if there's any issue, lifetime warranty by Excel in-house technician right here. Just give us a call or Noble Interior a call. We will go down like an Excel ambulance, go down to assist. Yeah.
Right. So I really like how they work. They keep innovating different things, trying to improve themselves, and the service being still so exceptional. And thank you all this while for being so supportive of us as well.
Wow, thank you, Noble. Thank you, Winston.
And so, are there any final tips that you want to share with our homeowners regarding reno stuff?
I know Winston asked me to think of 3 tips for the homeowners.
If you have any.
But for us, my founder, Mr. Kevin Chua, started off with a media education, and he wants homeowner have the power to actually choose their own products, be it purchased from Excel or any other platforms. He felt that it is homeowners to choose their way of their choice for their interior designers and also for their hardware that they choose from. So he always say that hardware is like an unsung hero. So for example, if there's any issues, all right, you do not know that no matter how beautiful your external designs that you guys have, but once the hardware actually spoil or have any issues, it makes your life much more difficult to use when you have a bang sound on your hinge. A big yes, correct. So he felt that we need to do something, which is we have our own in-house technician to assist, a lifetime warranty, and give a 一生保你一生啊. Yeah,
Right.
for the lifetime for your own house renovations on our hardwares. Yeah, so it's like he always say, a beautiful car on the outside, but if the engine is not really that powerful, it is still not a beautiful car. Yeah, so one thing that he mentioned.
There's always what's hidden inside that's making everything work.
Correct. Yeah. So not only the inside need to be, not only the outside have to be beauty, the inside also have to be beautiful.
Yeah, as with everything.
Correct. And I think for the last tips is probably we do have this exclusive pass. All right, for our homeowners that can engage to our Excel preferred partners, Noble Interior. There are more than $4,000 worth of value for you guys to use from Ecoply, from Lamlers, and from Excel hardware products as well. Yeah, so it's a good choice. Look for Noble Interior and get your exclusive pass today.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
There you go.
So thank you, Excel, for coming today to share with us more about Ecoply and some of your products. And if you guys have any questions, do feel free to drop them at the comments below or just contact us or Excel directly. They have their e-commerce website where everything is transparent. You can find all the information that you want over there. And do contact us if you want to install any carpentry works using Ecoply as well. So thank you, Anson.
Thank you, Winston.
Hope you guys learned something new today. See you for the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.